Hey, what's up guys? The World Hiker here, checking in from beautiful Feather Falls outside of Oroville, California. I try to make it up once a year when the water's rushing, like early spring's a good time right about now. And wanted to test out my new Mavic Air, which I pretty much run the updates and everything when it asked me to, but this time I decided to take it off and did not see that I had one more update to run, and it seemed to go straight off into a tree. Never had that happen before. I had to climb up about 15 feet in the tree and pluck it out, so I think we'll get some footage of that here coming up. Once I got it out, it seemed to be fine. I got some good shots here going over Feather Falls, so I hope you enjoy the beautiful footage here up above, climbing up above Feather Falls Waterfall and Lookout outside of Oroville, California. Signing off. Adios. Alright, so here we are, trail running with the new Mavic Air. I never really wanted to run that much with the Pro, not like it was big, but the Mavic Pro just seemed like it was a little too much to carry. Mavic Air fits in this tiny little trail running vest, so super light, like half the size of the Mavic Pro. So let's see how it works today, trail running with the Mavic Air to Feather Falls.
How? So you keep fighting for that moment when you can't claim it.